right, Tyler, show me how to use this power tank. How do we air out first?
Well, to inflate a tire, first we must deflate. So this is a little bonus feature for you. We're jumping ahead to the monster valve, but we're going to air down this 40-inch tire real quick. All right, so we went right down all the way to 3 PSI. So I'm gonna let you do it. This is very simple. You're gonna get it your first try.
Okay.
It's 2 main valves. This is the main tank valve, and we have our regulator adjustment knob. 1, 2, just open the tank knob, then the regulator knob, all the way.
Okay.
All right, so this is our XP400. This is our high output regulator. So I have 400 PSI in the line. Go ahead and plug that tire inflator into the super coupler.
Wow, that didn't feel like 400 PSI.
You connect it at 0. Our super coupler has its own bleed valve. So yeah, you can swap tools on the fly real easily. Let's go ahead and skip the monster valve for now. Let's just go through our standard Schrader valve and our Ventoso tire inflator.
Okay.
And let's see how quickly we can get to about 10 PSI from 3 PSI. So through a standard Schrader valve like this and our 400 PSI regulator, I'm going to estimate about 1 PSI for every 2.5 seconds with our power tank. So it's been a couple seconds. Go ahead and check it.
14.4.
14.4 PSI. So that's 11 PSI in about 20 seconds.
Wow.
So that's one way to air up. But the valve stem is the restriction in the system. It's a very small opening. So what we can do instead is go ahead and unclip it from there. All right, so swap out the high pressure push-on chuck there with the monster chuck, and we'll air up through the monster valve.
Nice.
All right. So this will probably double our speed. And let's go back up to 25, 30 PSI.
Okay.
All right, give it a shot. Now you can see the bulge in real time, how quickly we're adding air to this tire.
That is cool.
All right, give it another couple seconds, and let's see where we're at now.
31.8.
Yeah, 32 PSI.
Wow.
So, I mean, that's the benefit, right? The speed, how much time it's going to save you. If you have a monster valve, getting to and on the trail, and then when you're done wheeling, it's getting off the trail, getting home, washing your hands, getting that nice cheeseburger or something on the way home.
That was fast.
Yeah, I like to put the caps back on, and putting it away is just as easy.
There we go.
All right, so everything's open still. Let's go ahead and close it up, Davis. There's the main tank knob. Again, that's 1. That's always 1, so close that first. All right, and now we still have some CO2 in our 10-foot hose. Once you close the regulator, though, it'll self-purge, and it'll be all at 0.
Man, that really does seem like the fastest way to air up.
There's nothing faster. Let's go back to the table, and we'll go over some of the components and all the safety features we built into this thing.
Awesome.